Hi, my name's Clint Westhoff. I'm a partner at Goranson Bain Ausley. I'm board certified in family law. I practice exclusively in family law, focusing on complex divorce cases and the appeal of family law cases. When a family law matter comes up that requires court intervention, one of the first things that has to be decided is where is the case going to be filed? Sometimes the answer to that question is very easy. If the husband and wife, the mother and the father and the children all live in the same state and have for years, for example, Texas, then the case is going to be filed in Texas. We live in a very mobile society now, and people travel for work, people live in two different states, people maintain property in two different states. And so the issues about where to file your divorce case or your custody case can become very complex. So why is it important to know where to file your divorce case or your custody case? Well, two reasons come to mind. One is that the substantive laws of the different states can vary greatly, and so deciding where to file, if you have two different options, can have a great financial impact on the result of the case. Another reason why it's important to know where to file relates to children. If you file the case in the wrong state relating to children, the result can be that the entire litigation becomes void. So people can litigate an entire custody case, get a final order, and then the result, if they're in the wrong state, can be that an appeals court determines that the order is void. That means the parties have wasted all that time, all that money, and have to start over from scratch. So what are some of the rules that determine where to file a case? Well, in a very mobile society where people are moving around and have property in different states, the rules can get very complex. So the result of those complex laws is that you can end up with a situation where child custody proceedings are in one state, and the support issues relating to those exact same children can be decided in a different state or must be decided in a different state. There's also a lot of different laws relating to when you can file for a divorce case and where you can file divorce. Sometimes even the issue of where you're domiciled and where you have a residence can become contested, and those issues can be litigated, especially if the other side of the case, if the other party to the case wants the case to be in a different state and you want it to be in a state that's more advantageous to you. The attorneys at Goranson Bain Ausley have the expertise to know the rules that relate to where you can file your divorce or custody case or your family law case. They can explain to you the laws and talk to you about the facts of your case so that you can determine where the case should be filed in the state that's going to provide you with the most advantage and the best resolution of your case.